See here, so I'm discussing about that how to advertise your business using for email marketing. So we can using for a number of emails, we can promote our using email marketing third party websites. Why using for email marketing third party website? Why we are using for Gmail is there, Yahoo is there, Live is there, so many emails are there. Why using for email marketing website? The main assumption is called tracking your report purpose. Why? Because digital marketing is called we can check for our traffic. People coming to your website, how to check my traffic on your my emails. So if I'm sending for 10,000 emails per month. Out of 10,000 emails, how many members click my email? How to know? Can you know give information email for Gmail? They can't. The showing proper report is called email marketing. That's how the website is called. It's totally 5 websites. Mailchimp, Mail Kitchen, Mail Relay, Reach Mail, and Take Mail. This website. Is it clear? So in this one of the website we can using called Mailchimp. This is called Mailchimp. Per month we can sending for 12,000 email only. Previous per day we can sending for 10,000 email to now per month we can sending for 12,000 emails. Now first of all here in this one they can show your campaign, template, list and repost. Here they're showing for multiple option here. This is all your Mailchimp account. Here, first of all, your options select by your create your list. First, create your list. This is called add your emails, the subject, to email, everything been covered by the in this called list here. Go to list, click for create a list, create list. Now, first of all, list name. So I'm selecting for system of services. You can select email will be Gmail or Yahoo, anything you can select. Official also will be accepted. I'm sending for using name is called this Rakesh. Reuse reminder from another list. You can writing for short description. Company will be so I'm adding here area Hyderabad. Everything is done. Add your phone number for user contacting purpose. See here. If you are checking for report, daily summary one by one. The subscriber unsubscribe my account. I can check the my report. So I'm clicking for daily summary. If you need for by 3 options. In this one, I'm adding for total information. First, my list, my email address, which email you are sending for some other persons. This is the display name. Who will be sending for to Mailchimp. Next one, you can using for short description, company name, address, country, phone number. I'm adding for notification. Here, 2 options will be available, but we can't using for these options. Send the contacts an option, confirmation email when they subscribe to your list. I'm not requesting for any subscribe option. Maybe subscribe or unsubscribe. We can't give guarantee. So I'm not requesting any kind of mails will be subscribe purpose. I'm sending to mail. They okay, they accept my mail. Other they click for unsubscribe. When sending mail, automatically they go do it for subscribe. Is it clear? Now click for save. Any email marketing, first of all, create your list is important. After that, we can go to option called by one. Here, search your contacts. Import, paid a sign up form. I'm searching for import contacts. Now here, add contacts. What's that? Add subscribers, import contacts. Select import contacts here. Three ways. CSV tab, copy paste from file, and integrated services. Email cheap services for integrated email address. I'm doing for copy paste. Why? Because I have email address will be written by Notepad. Select it. Remember, per month is only for 12,000. Now I'm sending for emails for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, remaining will be pending for that month only. So here I'm selecting for 8 email address. Click for next. In this, you can use it for copy paste. Understand that mail billing plan may be automatically updated. Suppose your 12,000 email will be done. You go to where? Plan to page, but I'm not clicking this option. So without click, they gone to for next option. Yes. Click for next. Import method is done. Import a single column is now selected here. So your tags will be added. Click for import. Now add your contact. Totally 8 contact will be adding here. See this contact. All will be subscribed. Automatically, when I add a contact, the going to will be subscribed. Here, just done your account on your list. Now, click for list. How many subscribers are there? 8 emails we are adding for in this option. Each list, first of all, from address and 2 emails. After that, add your complete thing. Now here, just go to campaign. So mail listing will be added. So no, without adding mail list, we can't send mail on your campaigns. In this campaign, create a campaign. They're showing for this kind of total here. Recently adding for 2 option will be added from recently. That is called postcard sign up from. Please write down the options. Email marketing, ads for Facebook, Twitter, and etc. social media. See this one. Facebook, Instagram, Google remarketing, ads. Landing page. Create your template of landing pages for ad purpose. Post to cards for generating for views on your website. Sign up form. Embedded form, pop-up form, sign up, landing page. Add your details, name, email address, phone number, description, submit it. Write down the 5 options. Email, add, landing page, postcard, sign up form. But in this total 5, previous only 3 is there. Now we'll add in for another 2 option will be postcard and sign up form. So I'm using for email marketing purpose. So I'm clicking for email marketing. So here I'm selecting for email marketing. Start here. Campaign name. What is the campaign name? DM Services Madhapur. System of services in Madhapur. Click for begin. I can show the 1 by 1 option here. 2 already added. Yes or no? Select it. See. Choose list. Which one? System marketing services. Save ready. From ready. Done. 2 ready and from ready. Next one. Subject. As subject will be 2 ways. System marketing services in Madhapur. Sometime will be open like this. Don't worry. Click for best price. So promote your business. Save. Done. Last one is the final one important on your create in your campaign. That is called design email for your more template. Plain text you can design, or you can design by the based on the templates. See the templates. I can sell by simple test also. Look here. See, these are your templates. You can select any kind of template, your wish. But that is only understand by your user prospects. Next one, themes base. Same like your blogger. You can make it in color or black and white, anything. See this. But we need to patience to make on your templates. Next one here. If you upload your own template, that is called HTML5. Paste code, import from zip, import from URL. Suppose, see this one. I can go to my services. Yes or no? I go to my system marketing services. Copy here. Import from URL. Total website I am promoting using for email marketing. That is called coding for my own code. So here, save and close. Once import your file here, click for save and close option. Why I am import my file is called two purpose. When click my email, they go to my website for live chat purpose. Search here, save and continue. See here, file was uploaded here properly with content. So here. If anyone coming to in this option, they are sending for inquiry form also. Clear? Click for save and close. Once save and close will be done, you can send mail to your 8% at a time. Now here. To done, from done, subject done and content done. Always tick mark will be accepted. The tick mark not done properly. That is called email will be wrong. Now click for send. Before send, we have two options. Schedule and send your mail. Now click for send. Once send, they can give for I5 symbol. Here, they put in I5 symbol. What are the emails I'm sending? Just checking on your emails. Based on that, they can give for your tracking report. The tracking report will check on your two versions. One is called your desktop, second will be your mobile apps, that is called Mailchimp app. See here, total 8 number will be sending mail. You have to check for. Once open this one, they can say for open, clicked, bounce and unsubscribe. Still now, 0 on bounce and 0 unsubscribe. You can check on your mails. Here, once anyone open your mails, you can receive for will be like this. Total for 7 will be open, 1 will be click. Successful deliver message for total 8 members. So total 8 members receive on your emails. When clicks on your links will be showing for in this option. So one click will be done for study materials. Remaining all will be clicks will be done. You can show on your in this option. This is called check the report up to 24 hours. After done your 24 hours, how many mails will be received and checking the information. After that, tracking report by your option call is download your report. Download, print and share option. This is the three options you can do on your email marketing. That is called they using for Mailchimp for track the proper report for sending for email marketing purpose. The email person may be click or not click. They give the tracking perfect report on the email marketing. That is called when advertise your business, they can check for proper tracking report purpose. You can using for Mailchimp website. So they can't using for Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook will be using for email marketing purpose.